What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be out here fishing. Hot summer day. Probably gonna fish till dark. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so yeah, I don't know. Let's maybe flip some trees over here. Fish number one. It's a little guy, but smallmouth. Fish number two. It's already 97 degrees out. I don't need the sun being out. Bouncing across these rocks here. Another little fish. Thanks, buddy. Self-releasers are the best. It's like a little rock pile right here. I'm bouncing this Ned rig, 1/8 ounce Ned rig, and this is a BEATDOWN color, Zoom BEATDOWN, purple with gold flake. And pretty much I'm just, a lot of times these bridges, when they build these bridges, they'll knock a lot of rock off here in the water, and that's what this is in this case. Another little fish. I mean, there's fish here, but they all seem to be small right here, so. There's a lot of fish over there. There is a lot of fish over there. Oh, it seems like here. This looks ideal. This looks like ideal for him to be at. Just a little guy, just a little guy. Little one. Man, he threw my freaking bait off, dude. There's definitely a fish. That's a fish. Small one. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. I don't know. I'll try it again. Somebody else just bit it. There's another one. Little right now. All smallmouth though. Y'all notice that? All smallmouth today. Which is cool. That's cool. Catch some smallmouth all day. Cool, man. Here's another one. Let go of it. Come on, dudes. Dude spit my damn. Spit my bait up. Oh gosh, that was a big one. Holy moly. And the current's, it's not heavy current right here. It's kind of just a light current. And they're just kind of like hanging out in the shade and these rocks and just chilling out or something. Holy crap. Another little one. Don't spit my bait. Don't. Kind of just starting to figure out some stuff. I mean, it takes, just be patient, fish a bunch of different techniques, different styles. And let the fish tell you what they want and where they're at. You pretty much catch fish all day long. Like when I fish the river, first thing I look at is the watercolor. The second thing I look at is how much current's out here and where the fish are going to be staged at. Like if there was no current, the fish would not be here. You would not catch a fish here. But since it is current here, you know what I'm saying? They're going to be here. And then once you do that, figure out, okay, they're this kind of pattern, they're shallow, they're deep, whatever it is, just find areas and kind of mimic the areas you're fishing. Like we're fishing this rock bluff and there's light current on it. It's not real deep, it's about 10 foot deep right here. There's a lot of boulders and rocks down there and the fish are hiding behind these rocks and boulders and stuff. You hit that like a sledgehammer. There's our first spotted bass. Where are you going? You want to drive and tell me that trolling motor? Okay. Hang on. There should be fish on there. There should be fish on there. So that could be bigger fish on there. That deeper water. My worm. Dude, quit spitting up. Dude, y'all gotta quit spitting up my worms. You hear me? We got 10 left. That's it. Spotted bass. He was in that current. Oh, dang, I wasn't even ready for that one. I wasn't even ready for that. Holy guacamoles. Thank you, buddy. Huh. You get him to hit the crankbait, dude. They're only hitting the Ned rig for some reason. I don't know. I don't understand it. Everybody thinks better. Ton of fish, dude. Ton of fish. The smallmouth are active. They're just little. He is he's awfully close to that bridge. Buddy, I'm sorry, buddy. Hang on. You're hurting yourself. You're hurting yourself, buddy. Let me help you. There you go. Look how close that barge is to that bridge, dude. The back end. Freaking ton of them, dude. Just every cast, dude. Every cast on this bank. Man, it's fun, but it's fun. It's every cast. I mean, we definitely found the bait they want for sure. And they're shallow too. They're just real shallow up on that bank. Just staying out of this current. Let's see if I can do this from number 4. Look at, dude, the fish has got me cracking up, dude. Oh, this is hilarious. This is chaos. Oh, it's crazy. You think they want this bait, dude? Crap, I just messed it up. Hot, dude. It's 5:30. I'm gonna fish up here till 6. And then there's 2 spots I want to hit before dark. It's on the way back. Oh. It's fun. It was fun, dude. You got me cracking up, dude. Just bam, 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 bam. They're just freaking ridiculous, dude. Crazy. Are y'all seeing this? It's just nonstop. Thanks, buddy. They're active. Hell, big fish ain't got a chance to get to the bait, dude. Are you seeing this? Dude, the big fish, are you serious? Cannot get to this bait. The little fish are just crushing it. This is crazy, dude. This is fun, dude. Come on, big fish. There was one. That's got me cracking up, dude. Let's call it beatdown. Right about here. Oh, good God, look at that rock bass. Hey, Mr. Rock Bass. Oh, it's peeing on me. It's pretty. It's pretty. What's wrong with my drag, dude? What's wrong with my drag? I think every time I cast, I could click it once. It's like I barely hooked that fish. All right, buddy. Hang on, buddy. Don't go down there. Don't. I got you. Oh, there's a fish. You got it. Dude, you think we can hit 200 fish? Probably if I throw my Ned rig. Honestly. Probably so if I throw my Ned rig. He was shallow too. I think I'm gonna I want to see how many fish I can catch today on this. Oh, my drag, dude. What's wrong with my drag? I think every time I cast, I could click it once. It's like I barely hooked that fish. All right, buddy. Hang on, buddy. Don't go down there. Don't. I got you. And the thing about it is, I didn't catch a fish the first 30 minutes. That was something. I don't know what that was. I feel like a gar or something grabbed it. $126. Oh, crap. Come on. Just break it off. Oh my God. Just break it off. I didn't mean my freaking reel. Dude, I just broke my reel. Holy crap. Holy crap. I just broke the reel. Let's see, I got 5 worms left. I need a pole. I need a pole. Come here, buddy. We're gonna steal the bait off of here. Put on my Ned rig. And hopefully I don't break this reel. Dead calm right here. I think it's good. Tired of catching fish. Got fine fish, boys. $138. 8 o'clock. Almost time to roll out. Alright guys, doing an outro video. Cumberland River beatdown today. It was a beatdown. It was really fun. I caught a whole lot of fish. 142 bass. They were all small. Had 2 decent ones, but it was all about fishing, having a good time. So I very rarely come out here in the evenings and fish, so I wanted to give that a try. So it was fun. Put in at 2 o'clock. We're leaving at 8:15 right now. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Y'all get out there fishing.